Max, can I have it?
I think that's a
Can I
no.
have it, Max?
I think that's a no.
Ray, you showed us all the way. Everybody trusting that old little baby. I hear you. Throwing your doors open too. Very charitable. I'm holding the party late. Uh-oh, Max, are you in?
Part way. He's pretty determined. Your whole head's in there. Maybe you want to get him out. Oh wait, he's got something, Jimmy.
Did you get the toy, Max? Did you get the toy in the middle of the box?
Why don't you take it out? Max! Hey!
Uh-oh, what'd you get, Max?
Okay, he's just eating box now.
Hey, Max. Stop. Max, sit. 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 Hey. Oh, you got your toy.
Oh, you got the toy?
Yeah.
What do you have there, Max? Come here. Oh, goodbye. Come here. Come here, Max. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Sit down. Oh. Max. Come here.